They looked at my hormones and they went, "You have none. There's nothing worse than feeling like, oh, maybe that's what the problem is." And you thought you were doing everything you can. You take vitamins and immune support and all kinds of things. Well, before I found ageRejuvenation, I wasn't feeling great. I had no energy. My hair was falling out. I was gaining weight. I had no idea why. And then you realize it's because your hormones are depleted and you probably shouldn't be walking around because your energy levels are low. You're using parts of your body that you shouldn't be using. It's bad for your heart, it's bad for your liver, your digestive system goes out, you get leaky gut syndrome and all kinds of other issues. When you start getting your hormones in balance, suddenly the weight's just falling off. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever. Once you get in your system, you start having energy again. Your hair stops falling out. It's just incredible. Coming to ageRejuvenation has truly changed my life. So thank you.